Welcome to Shoptalk. I'm Devin, an employee owner with Cisco-Eagle. Choosing the wrong way to move cartons vertically will result in an operation that is too slow, too space intensive, or too costly. Here are the advantages and limitations of common solutions for vertical product movement. Incline conveyors extend from one level to another like a ramp. They are lower cost options with fast throughput. They are easy and quick to install. With an incline conveyor, you can create a conveyor overpass that allows forklifts or people to move safely through long conveyor lines. Because these conveyors need room to incline or decline between levels, they are not as space efficient as other options. Also, they can only access 2 levels, while other types of equipment can intersect with more than 2. Spiral conveyors are frequently installed into pick modules and high-velocity distribution applications. They work with 2, 3, or more levels. Spiral conveyors move cartons up and down around a central column. They are very fast, so they provide good throughput, and they take up little space. They can also hold a lot of product at once, so if you use them as a work in process buffer, they give you the best density. Spiral conveyors are relatively high cost, but they can be ideal if your application needs their space savings, speed, density, and product buffering capabilities. If you only need to move product down, gravity-fed spiral conveyors and spiral chutes are an economic option. Vertical reciprocating package lifts move cartons up and down with a platform that handles multiple packages at once. These lifts can be integrated with conveyors and other systems. These lifts have limited speeds and aren't as suitable for high-velocity applications. Unlike spiral conveyors, they can't serve as a product buffer. Automated package lifts are an economical vertical transport method. They offer the smallest footprint of these options. They come in 2 configurations, continuous and reciprocating. Continuous models rotate carriers around a circular track. Reciprocating models use one carrier on a straight track. Continuous models have good throughput, while reciprocating models aren't as fast. Like spiral conveyors, both can feed multiple levels. On the downside, package lifts don't offer high-density buffering like spiral and incline conveyors. Any good warehouse design strategy strikes a balance between product flow, space, time, buffering, and costs. Any of these systems, or a combination of them, can produce the right solution for you. Thanks for watching Shop Talk. Give us a call or visit Cisco-Eagle.com for more information.